All right, folks, this is Jim Dupree. We're back with another hazmat video. Today we're going to talk about special provisions. We're going to talk about column 7. Column 7 tells us anything unique that we need to know about our item. And understanding column 7 is really pivotal in this course because column 7 is not only going to tell us if we have an inhalation hazard, column 7 is going to tell us if we have any restrictions on our packaging. So I want to cover that with no further ado. So to do that, the examples we're going to use today, methane sulfonyl chloride, methanol, and methyl bromide. And if you just got done watching the inhalation hazard video, then you're going to recognize these three items. That's because I'm inherently lazy and I didn't want to rewrite all this stuff on the board. So there we go. So when you found those items, we want to look specifically at column 7. That's what we want to look at. Now, column 7 contains all of our special provisions. Now, the way DOT does this is there are some special provisions that apply all the time. Doesn't matter if we're going by air, doesn't matter if we're going by rail, doesn't matter how we're going. Doesn't make any difference. These are things that DOT wants you to know regardless of how you're moving it or what the container is. For example, special provision number 2, right? It's a numeric provision. Numeric provisions always apply, right? Why? Special provision number 2 means that I've got an inhalation hazard zone B. That's important. In fact, I can't think of many things more important than saying if you breathe it, it's going to kill you. High on the list, right? So any provision that's numeric, we always have to pay attention to. 1, 2, 10, 5, 115. Anything that does not have a letter in front of it means you're going to have to look it up and see what they're trying to tell you. May or may not apply to your specific situation, but you at least have to look it up. Now, after that, the special provisions become situational, right? I need them at some times, but not others. And the way DOT tells you when you need it is by placing a letter in front of it. Codes with a letter A mean those are used if we're shipping by air. A6, for example. I only have to look up an A6 if I'm shipping by air. Codes that begin with the letter B only apply to bulk shipment. B9, for example. I only have to deal with that if I'm shipping by bulk. If I'm shipping non-bulk, I don't have to worry about code B9. IB, intermediate bulk, different kind of bulk. Non-bulk starts with an N. That's a big one for us. R is rail, T is tank, TP is a portable tank. Now, all of those, by the way, are found in 172.102, and that's where you can find where the 49 gives you the information I'm giving you. So for us, since in this class we ship non-bulk, right, and since for the block of instruction where we're using the 49 CFR, we are going by truck, that narrows this down a lot for us. All we have to do is pay attention to, different color would be better here, right? All we have to do, we're going to pay attention to the numbers because we always have to do that. And then we're going to pay attention to the N codes because those codes are going to affect our non-bulk packaging. So for example, if we look at methyl sulfonyl chloride, there are a lot of codes there, right? What do we have to pay attention to? Well, there's a number. Numbers always have to be paid attention to, right? B code. Do we have to pay attention? Nope. No B codes. I don't even have to go look those up because I know they're not going to apply to my shipment in this course. T codes? Nope. TP codes? Nope. So of all of these codes, all I had to go look up in 172.102 is what does the number 2 mean? That's it. Same thing here, we look at methanol. IB, that's not one of my 2, right? That's intermediate bulk. T code, nope. TP code, nope. I don't have to look up anything in column 7. Down here, we got our methyl bromide, the last one. Got to check out what that 3 means. Not the B. Have to check out what November 86 means and not the T. And that's all you have to do. And if you forget this, if you forget where to go to find this, and you forget to go back and look at these super wonderful videos that are there to help you out, that's okay. Remember, at the beginning of the hazmat table, there's a column by column description of what's in each column. I found this code in column 7, so I go back to the description for that code and it will tell me where to go to find it. And that where to go is 172.102. So I hope you found this helpful, hope you found it useful, and remember, the best way to ship hazmat, don't ship it. Have a good day.